In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logo to GoDaddy website. By the end, you'll have your brand front and center on your site's header, and you'll know exactly which options to use so it looks crisp on both desktop and mobile. Before we begin, have your logo file ready on your computer. A PNG with a transparent background usually looks the cleanest, especially if your header has color or an image behind it. Start by signing into your GoDaddy account and opening your main dashboard. From there, head to your products or websites list and click the website you want to edit. This takes you into the site's editor area, where you manage design and content. If you manage multiple sites, double-check you're opening the correct one by looking at the site name or the domain preview. Give the editor a moment to load. Once it does, you'll see controls for your site's layout, pages, and header. Inside the editor, look for the branding controls in your header section. You'll see an option labeled Add Logo. Click Add Logo to open the logo panel. This is where GoDaddy connects your brand image to the header, so it appears consistently across your pages. If you don't see it right away, hover over the header area or open the header settings. The Add Logo button is typically right there with your site title and navigation settings. Now click Upload and choose the logo file from your computer. PNG and JPG are widely supported. SVG can work too if your plan and theme allow it. Aim for a file that's at least a few hundred pixels wide so it looks sharp, but keep the file size reasonable so your pages load quickly. After selecting the file, GoDaddy will import it into the editor. You'll usually see options to crop, resize, or adjust alignment. If your logo looks too tall, reduce its height rather than stretching the width, so you keep the proportions clean. A transparent PNG helps the logo blend with any header background. If the logo includes fine text, make sure it's legible on mobile by slightly increasing its size. Preview the header to confirm the logo sits comfortably next to your navigation and doesn't crowd the menu. That's it. Your logo should now display in the header throughout your site's pages. If you tweak spacing or size, use the built-in controls until the balance feels right. Thanks for watching, and enjoy giving your GoDaddy website a polished, branded look.